Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to set Chrome as your default browser. So to do this, the first thing you have to do is open up your search bar and search for settings. Open up settings. Once you've opened up settings, the next thing you have to do is go to the left side and click on the option that says apps. In the apps window, you need to go to the third option that says default apps. Click on that. So in this window, you can set the default for different apps. So what you need to do is on this search bar, you need to type in Chrome. And once you've typed in Chrome, click on Chrome. And on the top, you'll see an option that says make Google Chrome your default browser. Click on set default. So by doing this, you have set Google Chrome to be your default browser. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.